Eew Korea, setting the standard for steel pipe technology that supports global marine and energy infrastructure. Established in 2000, Eew Korea is a global specialized manufacturing company focused on large-diameter and thick-walled saw steel pipes. Eew Korea supplies high-quality steel pipes used in complex structures across the offshore wind, oil, and gas plant and large infrastructure, gaining recognition for its competitiveness in the global market beyond Korea. With an annual production capacity of 150,000 tons and facilities capable of handling up to 13.2 meters, we reliably produce key components for marine structures such as monopiles, jackets, piles, and risers. Eew Korea holds all the essential international certifications for global projects, including ISO 9001, ISO 14001 API, 2B, API 5L, DNV, and PED, and has established itself as a trusted partner for major global oil and gas companies such as Shell, Chevron, and Saudi Aramco. Eew Korea's competitiveness goes beyond mere production capacity. It stems from accumulated project execution experience. We have successfully carried out global mega projects, including large offshore wind projects like Moray, East Formosa 2, and Hai Long 2B and 3, as well as Qatar LNG and Saudi Aramco projects, proving quality, delivery, and technical reliability simultaneously. Additionally, Eew Korea has a wide-ranging product portfolio capable of responding to various industrial sectors, including offshore, construction, line pipe, and process pipe. We provide optimal solutions tailored to customer requirements, responding to high strength, high precision, and special materials based on large saw pipes. Here we secure both project efficiency and quality stability through a one-stop production system that encompasses cutting, processing, heat treatment, and coating. Another strength of Eew Korea is the synergy with the global Eew Group. Through collaboration with a global network including Korea, the United States, and Malaysia, centered around our headquarters in Germany, we can provide stable supply and technical support, even for large-scale and long-term projects. Eew Korea practices ethical and transparent management under the management philosophy of challenge and trust, shaping the future of the global offshore and energy infrastructure industry. Eew Korea is the partner chosen for global projects, setting the standard in the field of large-diameter saw steel pipes.